Alright, so here's an update on my very loud system. I have it running on 12 volts, and I had to do that because the flywheel combination pulley I had on here didn't work. I couldn't get anything out of it, so I hooked up this little guy here. And you know, obviously, if I had a bigger pulley on here, I'd get more speed here. But I'm getting 8 volts out of that, so that's about the best. You know, I could probably get 12 out of it, but I don't really see any future for this setup. But I thought I'd go ahead and do it. I had to move the little rotor closer in order to get the speed I want. I also had to alternate the poles here, north-south, to get it to grab this guy because of the friction of the belt. It's crude, but you know, I think I'm better off taking this guy and doing what was suggested, mounting this guy, which has the magnets on there, and then putting coils around it, see what I can get off of that. There's a lot of other tests I could do, try while I still have this set up, and I'm probably going to pursue them. Man, this thing is loud because I've got these magnets really close to the receiving rotor here. So again, Bedini, smaller rotor, 4 neodymium 7/8 cylinders, N52s, 4 of the same on the larger rotor. Little tiny thing I rigged up over to a 12 volt generator, which is producing, as far as I can tell, AC current. It's loud. I tried to do it with 5 volts. I haven't tried it with the new setup with the alternate poles, the north-south on the smaller rotor. Anyway, just a quick update. Give me an overshot view here. Not really overshot, I can't see what I'm doing. And it's loud. It's loud because the magnets are so close, they interact, and it's just rocking the system. And every time there's a kind of a change in sound, it's entering a new type of sync pattern. It still goes, doesn't stop, but you know, 12 volts it should go. The power of these magnets. But I think with the larger flywheel with the magnets, again, like I showed you over here, this guy, I think I can get some stuff out of that. I actually soldered that bolt on there. Thought it was kind of cool. Anyway, there it goes. Show you the setup from over here. Pulled it all together once I ordered this off the internet. Didn't realize you can't buy them in a bike shop anymore. They looked at me like I was from Mars and showed me all this, you know, these new ones that just have battery in them. I said, you gotta be kidding. And anyway, so that's 12 volts off my Bedini circuit, Mr. Daft Man's little setup there. Charging this battery here, it does great. I mean, you know, I had to pull the coil away. I had it too close. I was frying transistors, and I actually have huge heat sinks on them to keep them cool. So it was a good try. Getting 8 volts, but I don't think 8 volts is enough to go back and complete the circuit. But I haven't tried it yet. I don't foresee it happening simply because of the law laws of thermodynamics, or the first law anyway. I don't see how it could feed off of each other, but I'm going to try it anyway. What the heck. Ciao.